What's up, guys? Welcome to Mikey Yourself. Today's video is just going to be a thank you. Thank you all for supporting this channel during 2022. I know there are many other videos that you could be watching, but you chose to watch my videos and supported the channel, and I really do appreciate it. I really appreciate all of those who have subscribed to the channel. Your support goes much further than you know, and I hope for those of you who haven't yet subscribed to the channel to earn that subscription. I'm really looking forward to bringing you all some valuable content in 2023. We're going to evolve the channel a little bit. It's just continued growth and things that I hope, entertain you, really, because that's kind of the point of this, is to give you something to watch, to either, learn how to do something, or just to watch it, right? Like, because you get a chuckle out of it, or whatever it is that I can bring to the table for you. So I want to wish you and your families a very safe and enjoyable holiday, and I hope that year 2023 becomes one of the most successful years for you all, and filled with great things for you and your families. So until the next video, I hope to see you in the win. Happy New Year.